So question, how do you do coaching? Well, we provide writing and editing support in two ways. First, we share a screen using GoToMeeting or Google Docs, just like this, and this allows both of us to work through a document together, so you get instantaneous feedback. The interesting thing about Google Docs is it gives you two cursors. So as you can see, I've got another machine open here. Someone can type there. Someone can type here. It's very interactive, and the ability to talk about it and see it and work with it at the same time is immensely powerful. I can't tell you. The second kind of coaching we do is we take something that you've written, you send it to us, and we give a pass through it as we talk about it. Then we send you the edited version and a screen capture movie of how we did the edit. It's very much like the Rewrite podcast or this video, and it moves the project along very quickly, but it also teaches you to be a better writer in the process. So it's two things. It's sort of coaching ourselves out of a job, and it's helping you get what you need to done. But the important thing is that with both methods, the feedback is very, very quick. And this is important because writing doesn't actually happen on the page or the screen. It happens in your head. See, nobody sits down and says, I'm going to write something really crappy. Everybody is doing the best they know how all the time. So the best way to help someone is to understand why they think a mistake is a good thing to do, and to talk through it. A very little bit of this kind of coaching goes a shockingly long way. But to talk about this process is kind of like using interpretive dance to explain a game of baseball. It's easier just to show you, which is why we have the Rewrite podcast and why we have this little video. So, our standard package is 4 one-hour sessions over the course of a month and unlimited email support throughout. It's best to have a writing project you're actively working on, but we'll work any way that is productive. We don't have an ideological chip on our shoulder. We just like to get things done. So we're looking at this on the screen here, and I just sort of dashed this out, didn't think about it too much. Do we really need this word ideological? I don't think we don't have a chip on our shoulder. We just like to get things done. Really, I mean, if it's space is really limited, do we even need this sentence? Our standard package is 4 one-hour sessions, unlimited email support throughout. See, look at this. Look at this other bad word right here, actively. Everybody does it. I don't think this is the worst use of an adverb, but look what happens. We take it out. Look, you can get better on your own. This probably isn't a sales point for a coaching video, but it's the truth. You can watch the video podcast, you can sign up for our email newsletter, and you can do a little bit of work on your own. As messed up as it is for me to say this, you don't need a coach to learn how to write. A coach just makes the process a lot faster and a whole lot more fun. And remember, there's a reason why the best athletes in the world don't coach themselves. So if you have any questions or you'd just like to get started, you can email me or use the contact form on the website.